Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to see one other viewers on Facebook story. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. So let's begin. First we should open Facebook, and here I have posted a story, so let me click on that. As you can see there, it shows one others in the view section. So it is because I have posted this story publicly, so other people can also view my story. I cannot see who has seen my story because it is not allowed by the Facebook. But what I can do is choose on who can see my story. So here I can click on only friends. In that way only my friends can see my story, so I can click on that. I hope you guys like the video, and if you have any queries you can comment down below. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you and have a good day.